Oh, the camera is on? Alright. Welcome to KCB Talk, where you'll learn, explore English and shine everywhere. My name is Karthik, your trainer for the day. Today we will talk about 10 important facts that you should know in order to learn and speak English confidently, naturally, like native. Very common questions before learning spoken English are: my English is not good. How would I learn this? How would I learn this language? I didn't get good marks in English. I don't get good marks in English. How can I learn speaking in English? Even I have seen some of us have great energy to start, but they can't continue because some of the factors are there that we should not avoid. We should maintain them well. We're going to talk about all these factors, so if you want to make your English smooth, comfortable, confident and natural, be with us and enjoy this session. Number 1. Engage in daily English conversation. Now for me it was very difficult to find out a person and speak to. Fortunately, after like 3, 4, 5, 6 months, I got a friend who had talked with me in English, and that helped me a lot. It gave a booster, I would say. It would really give you even. So you have to find out somebody who can talk to you in English at least and make it as fun. Enjoy speaking to him or her in English. It would help you a lot. Enjoy in this case and engage in daily conversation. Number 2, listen to English podcasts daily. Now, what if I can't do daily? It's okay, we're not robots. We can make it daily. We may have our functions, ceremonies and important what you could say examinations and many things. That's totally okay. Just you need to go with the flow. You need to flow in the stream. That's it. So just flow with it. Go with it and enjoy it. So enjoy daily podcast. It's available on YouTube. You find out and you can make it slow and listen it, enjoy it. We would even suggest you to read English book out loud, because reading English book out loud would help you to have good exercise with your mouth, teeth, tongue and the jaw portions as well. So it will help you to make your mouth more twisted, so it will help you kind of a tongue twisters. Even when it personally happened with me when I was learning this language, I had huge accent. My mother tongue influence obstruct me a lot, and for that case I would suggest you all to read English and hear how are you pronunciating them. So smoothly read. It would help you to speak better naturally. You know what? The most important thing is we should watch English news channel, because here we would get all the updates worldwide. We would get to know about what's happening. So in order to have informations, general awareness, general knowledge, even current affairs, you should watch English news information. Of course, you follow your own origin English news channel. If you are watching from India, follow Indian origin English news channel. If you're watching from some other countries, follow your own origin English news channel. That would help you a lot. Speak slowly and clearly while you're practicing or speaking. You don't need to rush. It's okay. You have to just express your feelings with words, sentences. So in that case, you don't need to hurry at all. So in that case, take time. Pause. Think about it. then you say, yes, there are gap fillers that we can use as like, well, maybe I believe some of the gap fillers that we can use even buy time, take time, and then you make it. So what you have to keep it in mind, go slow, it's totally okay, but you have to speak clearly. So clear words, clear sentences, clear voice would help others to understand you well. Practice speaking with a language tutor. It would change your way of practicing, because language tutor is kind of well trained, and he or she faced problem when he or she learned this language. So where you may have problems can be checked, can be rectified by him or her. So it is irreparable, it's irreplaceable. We would say that when you have a tutor or make an environment where you can speak in English and you can be able to express your feelings there. The next point is really very important. In order to speak smoothly, naturally, spontaneously, some of the daily use English sentences we can memorize. And when we keep them in mind, when we are making conversation, it would automatically come here and it would be easy to throw. So in that case, some of the daily use English sentences, like suppose as a student, when we are talking to our teachers, our sir, ma'am, what we can say, suppose I want him or her to repeat because I couldn't understand what he or she has said. In that case, what I would say, how could I make it? So in that case, you can memorize earlier some of the sentences, like, could you please repeat, so could you please repeat, ma'am? So some of the sentences like that would help you to speak smoothly in front of people, public. Do I really know good English? I have no good depth really in English. We just need confidence, and we just need honesty, and of course guts to talk to. And in that case, we would say the next point is feel free and don't hesitate while you are speaking to or practice speaking. So we have seen most of us feel shy, hesitate. Oh, if I make mistake, what would happen? If people laugh at me, then what would happen? So that's why keep in your mind that everyone makes mistake, and making mistake is not kind of a big deal for in case of learning language. It's totally okay. If you accept it, it would be very much easy for you to learn any language. So for that case, we would say feel free, don't hesitate, don't feel shy when you are practicing or while you are speaking to somebody. Always have confidence to speak. Do we know that our mother tongue influence obstruct a little when we try to speak in English? So in order to eradicate our mother tongue influence, in order to eradicate the accent we have, we should follow pronunciation practicing. We should mimic how the person is saying the word, how he or she is saying. Oh, it is said like that, so I will practice saying in that way from the next time or from now onward. So pronunciation plays an important role in English. So it gives you enough. So practice mimicking. Mimicking is very good option in order to learn language. Even try to pronunciate well. And the last one, focus on basic English grammar. Oh, I have said you that grammar is not important much. Yes, it's not much important in order to learn spoken English, but in case of making sense, we should have little concepts about basic of it. So I would say tense would help you. Not all the tenses, it's okay. Just go with some of the tenses like simple present, I mean the present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect. You can go with future indefinite. You can go with past indefinite or simple past, past continuous, past perfect also. So here we are with the 10 points. I hope that you would enjoy it and try to practice all these 10 points. If you can't practice all the 10 points, it's okay. Just practice some of them and try to make it as your habit. It would definitely help you as a booster to learn English. And I wish you a very good luck. Thank you very much. It was really a lovely time, and thank you for being here with us. Thank you. See you again in another class. Thank you.